We have a steamer and we're going to operate it in under 2 minutes time doing a shirt. And while we get inside the box, let's show you what it is. You get a nice carrying bag, and inside the carrying bag you're going to have a midden, your head to the steamer, as you can see right there, all the steam heads, the nozzles, a long enough cord, and the steamer that you add the water to a max line. And you're going to see this thing bubble up real fast. Let me just tell you, be careful when you put this on and you turn it to the side, because the water is going to come out and cause a leak. So you want to make sure you use this upright at all times. This is the on and off switch. This is the water we're adding in. I'm not going to add a lot of water, but you can see the steam coming out already. You simply place on the head, there's a locking tab, and it goes on one particular way. You put the glove on for a little bit of safety so you don't burn your hands. It fits a nice sized hand. It's got a nice travel pouch. It's travel in case you need to take this on your cruise, at the office, wherever. As you get here, it's steaming up. We're going to take our shirt and start to steam within a minute. Here's the steam, and we're going to start to take our creases out. Now what I do want to show you is when you start to turn this way, you're going to see the water come out, and that's not what you want to do. Have the water come out of the steamer. So let's continue to steam our shirt, get those creases out. When all done, simply turn off, allow it to cool down, and then if you need to take the water out, you're simply going to rotate, lift up, and pour the excess water out. Check online for further details of the product. This comes in a nice gray. It comes in a very long cord to do your steam when hanging your clothes correctly up on the hanger and a wall. You get a nice carrying bag so you can put everything away. You get a midden so you can protect your hand. And there is the pouch, fits everything in as you've seen at the beginning. You have instructions and a warning guide. Within 2 minutes, we are steaming, and the unit will operate up to 10 minutes and it'll automatically shut down and you'll restart over. I hope this is something that you're looking for, a product to steam your clothes in a portable way.